Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll start in Settings because Live Photos is controlled system-wide. Open Settings, scroll to Camera, and tap it. Once there, find both the Live Photos option and Preserve Settings entry. That's where the default's live. You're doing this so the camera app won't re-enable Live Photos automatically. Make sure your iPhone is unlocked and you can reach the camera section. If you have restrictions enabled, temporarily disable them so the camera settings are editable. Then move to the next step. Now change the behavior. Either switch off Live Photos in camera settings or use Preserve Settings to stop it from turning back on. Tap Preserve Settings, then make sure Live Photo is set to off so the camera app retains the last manual state. Once done, open the camera app and observe the live icon. It should be off or crossed out. If it isn't, toggle the In-App Live button once to ensure the preference sticks, then close camera and reopen to confirm the change. Finish by testing. Take a photo and watch the live badge. If it stays off, you're done. If Live Photos re-enable later, make sure you didn't enable an accessibility shortcut, camera-related profile, or a third-party camera app that overrides defaults. Next, sign out and back into iCloud or restart the iPhone. Many persistent setting issues clear after a reboot. If the problem continues, update iOS to the latest version because system bugs can reset preferences, and then repeat the steps to lock the setting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.